This is for the asylum seekers trying to get in. If it was up to the average Joe, you'd be let in. But there's some racist politicians in the federal government that hate to see black and brown faces coming in. What's up with them? You know, unless you're Aboriginal, you're an immigrant. It's time to face the issues, but they won't because they're hypocrites. We live with this every day. Their decisions get way worse. Look at how they treat the indigenous. The Northern Territory intervention, deception, economic slavery disguised as child abuse prevention. And all I see is white Australia policy, continued non-acceptance of anyone, no matter what they've been through. I must ask, how much do you love your country when its leadership sees our native brothers as monkeys? Fuck that, I won't let my views be distorted. This is for my comrade Joel that got deported. For the stolen generation, misplaced and forgotten. For the boat people fleeing those conditions so rotten. For my West Sydney scramblers trying to crawl from the bottom. For the brothers in Burke that are still picking cotton. For the lost kids locked in a box in Cobham. And for the revolutionaries trying to fix the problem. We are all asylum seekers trying to seek asylum. And if we don't get our peace, we'll turn peace to violence. Cutthroat on a country that is teaching blindness. So I throw vocal daggers that'll breach your eyelids. We are all asylum seekers trying to seek asylum. And if we don't get our peace, we'll turn peace to violence. Cutthroat on a country that is teaching blindness. So I throw vocal daggers that'll breach your eyelids. We're living in a nation built by racism, with a false tolerance rubbed together causing chafe with them. Public education lies, they feed the hate inside. Ain't safe inside, fuck the government and say goodbye. I hope it makes you cry, I hope you wake and find your prejudice still asleep. Tuck it in and say goodnight. So I vent my frustrations at those that caused them. Cops search and strip us down like trees in autumn. How you figured that the problem on the streets is boredom. Now it's time I tell the pigs to proceed with caution. Fuck the forcing, AFP, ASIO 2. They want me in a cell, the other cell they're tracing it too. Stay wise, still speak up, slay mics. Face life, warrior style, life's a cage fight. Every day facing the beast, trying to battle ya. Turn the streets of Canberra to the Port Arthur massacre. Rattle you with vocal daggers when I'm rhyming for the brothers and the sisters who seek an asylum. We are all asylum seekers trying to seek asylum. And if we don't get our peace, we'll turn peace to violence. Cutthroat on a country that is teaching blindness. So I throw vocal daggers that'll breach your eyelids. We are all asylum seekers trying to seek asylum. And if we don't get our peace, we'll turn peace to violence. Cutthroat on a country that is teaching blindness. So I throw vocal daggers that'll breach your eyelids.